everyone. It is Friday, January 14th, 2022, and this is a huge Walmart grocery delivery haul. 5 items were out of stock, so let's get started. We got 3 spaghetti and meatballs. My Stouffer, we actually had 4 ordered, but only 3 were in stock. We got frittatas. These have 14 grams of protein in them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We got breakfast sandwiches. I wanted the ham, the bacon ones, but they were out of stock. We got 2 boxes of these. We needed something different because there's a major storm coming Sunday into Monday. Chicken patties. Purdue. So we wanted to make sure that we had more than enough. Cherry yogurts. Blueberry. Strawberry. They were out of vanilla cups, so we got another big tub of them. More pizza. A box of burgers. Organic bananas. Pancake syrup. They were out of pancakes, so I don't know. 3 packs of the little bottles of water for Mom. And I got 2 12-packs of Nestle Pure Life for me. They changed the label again. Every so often they do that. Bella and Ethan are still in their beds right now.
Oh, shit.
But they will be getting up later to watch our Friday night lineup on CBS, which is just Magnum and Blue Bloods right now. So we will see you next time in the next video. We don't know when for sure that will be. Depends what the weather brings for this week. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching.